So I'm Daniel Hjort. I'm the founding director of the Center for Aesthetics and Business Creativity, also Ulf G. Lindén Professor. We're here today to develop chapters in a book that is in the process of being written. The book title is Posthumanist Management Research and Education. We have 18 chapters in the making, and today a majority of them are represented here by the authors, sharing their draft versions of chapters and receiving feedback and comments from other chapter authors. And Emma Bell, Stockholm School of Economics, and myself serve as editors for that book. So today is an important 2 days exercise of getting input to revise and finalize the chapters. And that will happen towards the summer, and then we hopefully have a full draft for the publisher to submit in the autumn.